Well, hello, Disney Connections and fellow Disney freaks. Is anybody feeling a little hungry?
I'm hungry.
Yeah.
I'd like a snack.
You
were just saying that you wanted a Rice Krispie treat.
I did.
Maybe there's one in here.
I'm totally feeling like a little Mickey Rice Krispie treat. Yeah.
So this is a new box for us.
Yeah, brand new box from
Bite Me Foods.
Bite Me Foods.
It's the mouse treat box.
Yep.
It's cute. It's got Mickey and then it like stamps if you see like the Mickey stamps on there.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is fun. These people are from Albany.
Right. Well, the address says Salem.
Oh, but, Salem? I thought it was Albany.
But Oregon, and if you've been following the channel, you know that we lived most of our life in Oregon.
Yeah.
We're here in San Antonio now, but...
When we found out that they are from Oregon, we thought, well, we better support them. They're from Oregon. Right. Plus, the treats looked super yummy.
Right. I mean, the treats are amazing that we've seen
look
online.
Amazing. We haven't tried them.
We haven't tried one yet. We're going to be snacking on them tonight.
Can we open it so we can maybe try it?
Yeah, I guess.
I mean, what are we waiting for?
I don't ever plan on moving back to Oregon, but I don't mind having stuff shipped to me from Oregon. So.
Oh my gosh. Watch out with that. Watch out.
I got it. Someday I'm going to have a major accident on camera. She's going to say, "Told you so."
I never say I told you so.
No, I don't think you do.
I've had plenty of opportunities to say I told you so, but I don't say it.
Actually, I think the time that I went on the zip line, and,
I did say
I think you said I told you so.
I told him not to go on that zip line, and he did it, and it wasn't pretty, I'll tell you that much.
No, I mean a little bit more, and I might have lost the lower half of my leg.
It's true, but he didn't listen to me. His motto is, I might not get hurt.
I might not.
Okay.
And sometimes I might.
So these are like really big peanuts.
Right.
Right? Not the peanuts you eat.
Yeah, so not for consuming.
No.
No, for packaging.
For packaging.
Okay.
All right.
Well, let's see.
Oh, there's like a box in a box.
A box in a box. Do we have somewhere maybe?
I think the cats will love to play with these.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
We'll just throw them over there. Something like that.
I hope they don't eat them. Do you think they'll eat them?
Well, I don't know. They might.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Ooh, it's cold.
Right. It is cold. Well, It's been in our refrigerator for a couple days. All right. Woo! There's a little. Ooh, look at that.
Welcome to your Disneyland-inspired Bite Me Foods Mouse Treat Box. Mouse Treat Box shipping Main Street sweets and pixie dust. Bite Me Foods. We hope your day just got a whole lot sweeter. There is an ingredients list available on Bite Me Foods. Mouse Treat Box additional information. Keep treats in the fridge or the freezer. We recommend to freeze your box for 3 hours prior to opening in hot temps, which we already did.
Yeah, took care of it.
We hope you love your Mouse Treat Box. Each box is a surprise and handpicked just for you. Our Disneyland-inspired treats are all homemade. We encourage you to post a video or photo of opening your box and your goodies to social media and tag us at Bite Me Foods. We appreciate your support and your choice to support our locally owned business. We hope you love your... Ooh, there's a lot to read here. We hope you love your Bite Me Foods experience. Our goal is to bring the magic and pixie dust of the Magic Kingdom to your doorstep and make your day a whole lot sweeter. Thank you for keeping the Disney magic alive. Keep on wishing upon a star, and we hope you are living your happily ever after. Love, Bite Me Foods.
Oh, isn't that sweet? It's on some nice cardstock.
It is like heavy cardstock.
I think we should frame that as our first box.
Yeah.
All right. So
there's a box in a box.
A box in a box.
That's exciting.
And this is kind of a fun deal here.
They've decorated it
They've
with
got
stickers.
some decorations.
Awesome.
All right. Well, you ready to figure out what we got in here?
I am ready to go.
This video might be a while because she's probably going to want to taste test as we go.
Right? So here's a business card for Bite Me Foods.
Here's another business card for Bite Me Foods.
Oh, so we can share.
Yes. One for us to put on our refrigerator and the other to give away.
Disney Connections Rob and Melanie.
There's a note in there.
There's a note.
Oh.
Hi Disney Connections, Rob and Melanie. We hope you love your Disneyland treats. Please tag us in your social media posts. Have a magical day. Enjoy Bite Me Foods. That's so sweet. Thank you so much.
Tag right here on YouTube.
Yeah, I totally will. Well, let's see if it's good. I'm sure.
All right. Cool pack.
Oh yeah, so they put in these cold packs. These are there just to make the journey, right? So once you get them, you need to put them in the fridge.
I think I'm gonna put that cold pack back in the freezer, and then.
I don't think it's a reusable.
And then
cold
you
pack.
can use it when you have headaches.
Thanks, honey.
All right.
You're so thoughtful.
Well, you know, I'm
What's
always
this?
thinking of you. What we got?
Making your day a whole lot sweeter. BiteMeFoods.com. What's a little sticker?
A little sticker.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
Oh my gosh, I see treats.
All right, here's the first one, and I've actually been wanting
I was
one of
hoping
these.
we were gonna get this.
It's a Tigger Tail.
It's a Tigger Tail. I was totally hoping we were gonna get that. And the chocolate didn't even melt. It still looks fabulous.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, that's gonna be good.
Oh, we're gonna be tasting.
I don't remember
all night.
what's in here, but I think it's gonna be good. Okay.
Oh, this might be.
Wow, that looks pretty.
Oh, this might be my favorite.
Your favorite? We don't even know what's
Well,
in there.
I mean, I saw somebody open this, and I'm pretty excited about the churros toffee.
Oh yes, we talked about that.
Yes.
That we wanted that.
Oh my goodness.
That looks good.
That looks
Churro
delicious.
toffee. Oh, okay.
Nummy.
Yum. I'm
All right.
excited about this. I'm like.
What else do we have?
Oh my
let's
goodness.
go here.
Oh, this is what you wanted.
Oh.
He was like, I
right.
hope there's a Rice Krispie treat in there.
Oh,
Totally
Mickey
is.
Rice Krispie treat decorated in little M&Ms.
That looks fabulous and it looks great.
Yes, it looks like Mickey.
Yeah, and even the chocolate's not melted or anything.
I love it.
And this came from Oregon to Texas, to South Texas. And it sat on our doorstep for a little while. What's that? Oh, it's a little lollipop? Okay.
I don't think this was made homemade, but
It's a little extra.
it's a little extra they threw in there, I guess.
See.
Yeah, it's made in California.
Mini sour carnival pop. Oh, maybe because you were on the carnival, they were
Oh,
sending
right.
you a carnival pop.
They were reminding me of my carnival days.
Cute. Okay, what else?
All right.
There are foozles in here, so we're not missing out on the foozles. So we have peanuts and foozles.
Super excited for this one as well.
Holy guacamole, look how big that is.
Oh my gosh, it's like
The size of your head.
there we go. Chocolate
that
chip
looks so
cookie.
Good.
Extra chocolate on it.
Look how good it looks. I'm just
know.
shocked that they look so good
Wow.
after being in the, shipping.
That's pretty cool.
Okay.
Oh, it's Halloween month, October. We got a little
Cute.
Jack Skellington cookie.
Awesome. It looks like a sugar cookie.
Yeah,
Yeah?
I think it's a sugar cookie
with a Jack.
with
yeah.
sugar on top. It's sugar on sugar
inside.
cookie. Sugar inside.
That's super cute.
I don't know if these treats are going to go well with the program.
We better eat them tonight because we're starting the program tomorrow.
Yeah, we're starting the program tomorrow because I'm about to let you know, which if you've already watched our other videos from earlier this week, you'll know what our big announcement is, but you got to get on the program. Okay. All right. Ooh, I was hoping for one of these too. A cake pop. Ooh.
It's a cake
Look
pop.
and it's Minnie.
Oh, that's cute. It's
Yeah.
a little Minnie Mouse cake pop.
Love it.
You know, I make a pretty good cake pop.
You do make a pretty good cake pop.
I should make some. I haven't made
You
them in
make
a while.
pretty good cake as well.
I do.
You know, she made her sister's wedding cake.
Both of them.
Both of her sisters' wedding
And my
cakes.
parents' 25th anniversary
Right.
cake.
And they were like professional.
It did look pretty professional.
You know what? You should Instagram some of those pictures.
I should.
You know,
Maybe
if,
I will.
If we weren't so busy teaching and YouTubing and traveling, you should be like
I might be
cake-
a baker.
Yeah.
I might.
You should make that like your sixth job.
Okay, well, we'll talk about
Okay.
it.
All right. Looks like we got.
Okay.
Oh! Don't eat this. We got a pencil.
Okay, it's like
Yeah.
a little fun box.
It's a little fun box.
We got a pencil. that
I'll-
goes with
I'm
your
gonna-
carnival.
I'm
Oh,
gonna-
you
I'm
put
gonna
it in your
put it-
pencil holder.
I'm gonna put it
That's a
over
good
there
idea.
with Thanos.
And what is that?
And then
honey? a ruler?
a ruler, but
Oh, it's a snap bracelet. Oh my gosh, do you guys remember
snap
those?
bracelet, and it's Marvel.
That's fun. A Marvel snap bracelet.
Yeah, it's Marvel.
Okay.
It goes with. Oh, where it went.
Your
Oh, right there.
oh my gosh,
Oh,
you
yeah.
guys. Look
Hey.
what Rob got today. Fan mail. This was our first fan mail.
Shout out Just Ginger. Go check out her channel. But she sent me this marble mug.
That he's been wanting,
she
and we
knows I
couldn't
love
find
marble.
anywhere. So now we have a Marvel bracelet and a marble mug.
Yeah, I love
All
it.
right.
Okay.
I see more. I see another cookie in there.
I do.
Okay.
I was going through all the rest of this stuff. Okay. I think this is the last cookie, and
It's a sugar
oh my
cookie.
goodness, does it look good?
It does.
Like Mickey sugar cookie.
All of this looks so good. We
Oh my
totally
goodness.
have to taste test this.
Oh. My
And then in
stomach
the
is
bottom
hurt.
is another cold pack, so that
Another
they
cold
really
pack.
make sure that you know your items are gonna arrive. And they obviously worked because these all look great.
Yeah.
They don't look like they've been in the mail, you know, for days.
No.
So
And we all know that if you put something in the mail, it might take days to get to you.
Remember that time I tried to mail your sister and her husband Irish soda bread?
That didn't work out so hot.
I mailed it 24 hours. Like I took it to the
Yeah.
post office. I paid for 24 hours. It was a week and a half before they got it, and it was green when they got it. And they thought that it was part of the because it was supposed to be Irish soda bread, but it was moldy.
Right.
Anyway, this looks great.
This looks great.
Nothing like my Irish
Oh
soda
my
bread
goodness.
fiasco. I'm so excited to taste it, and we'll let you know like how it tastes because I'm thinking it's gonna be good, and I've been waiting to eat a treat all day.
Right. So we're gonna sign off here in just a second. We're gonna go try some of these treats. Comment below if you've ever tried Bite Me foods, and then we'll comment back what we think about some of these treats.
Absolutely.
Awesome.
I'm excited.
Well, it is awesome that we get to have a little Disney inspired treats in our house. But if you've been following the videos from this week, you'll know we're
going to Disney World.
Super excited.
So excited.
So we're gonna get to go at the end of the month and try some Disney treats
Some of their
straight
Halloween
from.
treats.
I know. I'm super excited. I know she wants to try the
Not so
poison apple
cupcake,
Yeah.
which we sent our friend Johnny when he was there last week to try, and he said it was good. And I appreciated his review, but I seriously want to try it myself.
Yeah.
And the Mickey waffles.
Oh
Those look
my
so good.
gosh.
They're like waffles, but they're with ice cream.
Yes.
Like, have you seen those and sprinkles? I want to try those too.
I think we do have some reservations that we already made to lunch, but other than
We're
the
just gonna
lunch
snack the
reservation,
rest of our food.
yeah, we're gonna snack the rest of the food. So
If you want us to try anything for you, let us know.
yeah, and if you have been to the parks and you know of any treats that we are just like a must try, put that in the comments below because we want to make sure and not miss out on anything when we're in the park. It's gonna be a short trip, so we don't want to miss anything that we can do in the short time we're there. All right. Last thing is our 400 giveaway. If you have not entered into the 400 giveaway yet, directions are below. There's a form you need to fill out, and you need to make sure and like and subscribe. Click the bell and
follow us on Instagram.
Follow us
That's
on
it.
Instagram. I mean, we're not asking for much.
The giveaway. Did we already show them?
Oh no, let's
The
check.
giveaway is Cogsworth Jim Shore. Cogsworth Jim Shore. He's super cute. His little
pendulum
actually moves. So he's very cute. He is our giveaway for hitting 400 subscribers.
Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel.
Absolutely.
We absolutely love all of the comments and the interaction. It's just amazing. The channel's growing, and we're just having a ball bringing you Disney love into your house. Last thing I almost forgot is while we're in Disney World, we want to share with you. So if you can come with us, we're going to be there over Halloween weekend. We'd love to plan your trip, notjustcruising.com will plan that trip for you. But if you're not able to come on the trip with us, we want to send you a postcard. So we've got 100 postcards here. It's first come, first serve for the first 100 people. And I did happen to say if there's a couple more than 100, then I might go ahead and just buy a postcard. She'll tell you how.
If you want a postcard from the Magic Kingdom, the fun in that is that they postmark it with the Magic Kingdom postmark on the back. So it says Walt Disney Magic Kingdom on there. These are Disney postcards. They are from the visual development department. So some of them made it into the movie, some of it didn't. So there's several movies that are depicted. We're just gonna pick one for you. And if you would like that postcard postmarked from the Magic Kingdom, you can Venmo us at Disney Connections, $5, and you can email us at disneyconnections@gmail.com with your address, and we would be happy to address that for you, put a stamp on it, walk over to the mailbox on Main Street in Magic Kingdom and get that mailed for you. And if you're following us on Instagram, you'll see us put those into the mailbox for you. So
yeah,
it's kind of fun.
So check it out.
A little extra.
Yeah, down in the description, Disney Connections on Venmo. It's only $5. That'll cover postage and the postcard. So, all right. Did we cover it all?
I think so.
I think we did it.
We need to go so I can eat my snacks.
I think it's time to go try some treats. Yeah. Appreciate you being here on Disney Connections, where we're going to talk about all things Disney.
Bye.